There is a device in your pocket right now, or sitting on your desk, that has quietly become the most dangerously addictive piece of technology Apple has ever manufactured. We aren't talking about the iPhone. We are talking about a form factor that Apple almost abandoned, a device class that mainstream tech media completely underestimated, and a machine that is about to undergo the most violent, radical transformation in its entire history. Welcome to the truth about the Apple iPad mini. If you think you know what a small tablet is capable of, prepare to throw everything you thought you knew out the window, because what is coming next is going to redefine mobile computing forever. Lock in, pay attention, and do not click away, because every single minute of what you are about to hear exposes secrets that change whether you should buy a tablet today or wait for a masterpiece. Let's pull back the curtain on how we got here. For years, the tech community lived in a state of quiet despair. Apple treated the smaller tablet line like an afterthought, leaving loyal fans starving for updates, stretching hardware life cycles to their absolute breaking point, and making us wonder if the dream of a true pocket-sized powerhouse was entirely dead. Then the silence broke. Apple dropped a surprise silicon injection, stuffing high-end processing architecture into that iconic compact aluminum shell, proving beyond a shadow of a doubt that they weren't done with us. But that was just the appetizer. Behind closed doors, deep within Apple's Cupertino design labs, something monumental has been taking shape. The leaks coming straight out of the global supply chain are not just incremental adjustments. They are signaling a seismic shift that will leave current device owners staring at their screens in absolute disbelief. The single biggest battleground in modern display technology is OLED, and Apple's compact darling is finally stepping into the arena. For years, users accepted standard LCD panels with their inherent limitations: slight backlight bleed, muted contrast in dark environments, and lackluster HDR performance. Not anymore. The upcoming generation is heavily slated to transition entirely to an advanced OLED architecture. Imagine firing up your favorite dark mode applications, watching cinematic 4K content, or playing visually breathtaking open-world games on a screen where blacks are completely absolute, contrast is infinite, and every single color explodes with hyper-realistic vibrancy. This is not a minor tweak to pixel density. This is a total overhaul of how light and color interact in the palm of your hand. When you hold a device this small, visual immersion relies entirely on panel quality, and introducing self-illuminating pixels to an 8-inch chassis changes the game forever. Underneath that pristine glass lies an absolute monster of processing muscle. We are looking straight down the barrel of next-generation Apple silicon integration, rumored to harness raw architecture designed to pulverize benchmarks. Why does this matter to you? Because a small form factor has always forced a compromise between thermal limits and raw power. Not this time. With advanced hardware-accelerated ray tracing baked directly into the graphics pipeline, console-quality gaming is no longer a marketing buzzword. It is your everyday reality on a device that fits inside a jacket pocket. We are talking about rendering complex 3D assets, timeline scrubbing in high-resolution video editors, and multitasking heavy workflows without a single stutter, hesitation, or thermal throttle. It completely shatters the illusion that productivity requires a massive, heavy laptop. Let's talk about the elephant in the room that every tech enthusiast is whispering about: artificial intelligence. Apple Intelligence is no longer a distant promise. It is the core operating philosophy of modern hardware. But running massive on-device machine learning models requires insane computational overhead. That is why this next evolutionary leap in processing power and expanded unified memory configurations are non-negotiable. Imagine lightning-fast contextual awareness, predictive text generation that actually understands your workflow, advanced image synthesis, and a smarter, deeply integrated Siri engine that responds instantly without routing every single query to a sluggish cloud server. Having this level of localized artificial intelligence packed into a hyperportable machine turns a simple media consumption device into a cognitive extension of your own mind. Beyond the screen and the silicon, the chassis itself is receiving a masterclass in modern engineering. Rumors from reliable supply chain analysts point toward enhanced durability, refined edge-to